Hi, this is Ryan from Foxtecc, and today I'm going to help you fix any sound issues you might be having on YouTube using your iPad. There are two possible problems we're going to cover, so let's dive right into it. First, if you're just trying to watch a YouTube video and there's no sound, there are a few things to check. Start by making sure the iPad's volume is turned up using the volume buttons. You'd be surprised how often the volume is accidentally lowered. Next, if your iPad has a mute switch, ensure it's turned off. Another thing to check is whether your iPad is connected to a Bluetooth device, like headphones or speakers, that might be playing the sound without you realizing it. If you've done all that and there's still no sound, try testing the audio in other apps. This will help you figure out if the problem is specific to YouTube or if it's affecting the entire device. Sometimes, restarting the YouTube app can also resolve any temporary issues. Additionally, check to see if Do Not Disturb mode is enabled on your iPad, as this can mute sounds. Also, make sure both your iPad and the YouTube app are running the latest versions. If everything else fails, try restarting your iPad completely to give it a fresh start. Now, let's move on to the second part of this video: how to get music and sound for your own YouTube videos. If you're producing your own content and need sounds that you have permission to use, there are several resources you can look into. A great place to start is the YouTube Sound Library. It's free and filled with songs and sound effects that you can use in your videos without worrying about copyright issues. If you're looking for more variety or higher quality tracks, there are also websites like MusicBed and Epidemic Sound. Just keep in mind that these services typically require a subscription or payment to access their music. That's it for today. I hope this video helped you solve your sound issues or gave you some tips on adding music to your own videos. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more tech tips. See you later.